Morning, morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. ADTX, one of the top stocks that we were watching since yesterday. ADTX and XHLD, both of them doing all right. ADTX tested our target here, the 1230, and now it is pulling back. We have almost broke out from this resistance, but yeah, I think we're waiting for the market open for this breakout around the 1230. APDN pulling back, AGMH pulled back and tested our bottom, the 71. So we got a little reversal right now from the bottom. So yeah, ADTX is the only one that still strong. Let us check the other ones. We got SAG 71%, QBTS is pulling back, UBT pulling back as well. Okay, we've got W on the list. So yeah, ADTX is the only one that look good right now, guys. ADTX. Cheers, Brian. How you doing, Brian? So the only one that look good is ADTX, and we suggest to take profit here around this level before the market open. Yesterday it was good entry here around the $8. We suggest for support here and entry. After the market open, we have a huge pump, then pullback, then a pump. Now we have another pump up. We discussed this for a breakout from the $10.70 in the pre-market watch list here that we did on our Discord. ADTX was number one. We checked this play today before the market open, guys. And now it is about to break out here with BDTX, which reversing from the huge pullback yesterday from the $2.70 until the 170. We've got other stocks have earnings. We have a reversal right now, guys, for PDD. Nice reversal from the 113. And now it is testing the resistance. So I'm gonna put support here around the 114. PDD had earnings, that's why it's pushing back down. JBL have earnings as well, jumped up right now and almost hit our profit taking the 155. Good jump for JBL, guys, from the 141. Yeah, did a really good jump. Not bad for this jump. Yeah, ACN is getting near the bottom here. ASO, nothing much. FDS, nothing much. For SMCI, it's still neutral here. Palantir, still nothing. WINT, I was watching this one, but I don't like the technical that much. For now, yeah, it's doing all right. Yeah, jumping all right now, but it's about to get shorted around the 275, so it is a bit risky now. Did the reverse split 1 to 50 lately? So it's heavily diluted so far. It need to go over the $4. So for now, look our right if we held over the 221. So WINT could be good to reverse from this bottom. So I'm gonna keep WINT just in case for today. Yeah, it just came right now. So WINT and ADTX are the one to watch at the market open. Yeah, so we're gonna keep watching just three stocks here. WINT and ADTX are the number one for today. Remember, guys, we got lunar earning next week on Monday, but for the technical, yeah, the technical, it is a bit weak because lunar broke the trend lately. Yeah, broke this trend. As you can see here, lunar was pretty good before. After that, after the broke this channel, it was a bit weaker. Yeah, once we broke this area for lunar, it was time for a short. It got shorted almost 72%. So far, so good before the earnings. Yeah, we might get a bit of reversal here because now it is oversold. Yeah, it looked oversold. It took uh, it took for lunar almost 1 month to lose 230%, and it took it almost, wow, half a year to do 230%. Really faster. It's easy to lose than to gain. The gain, it took almost half a year to do 230%. And Lunar lost everything in just 1 month. Lost what it did in 6 months. So this is a perspective for you guys about how volatile stock is and how easy losing is in the market. So you have to be ready for a signal. If you don't have a strategy or you just buy and forget, this is what's gonna happen. Huge pullback. WINT, guys, is pulling back just below the 275. This is our target to break at the market open. We might have, yeah, 20%. So we have to be ready for the market open because we've got few levels to test. For now, yeah, we have to break the 274. ADTX, the same, looking all right here, is holding the gains. We need to break this area around the 1230 to squeeze. The top stocks for today, it is WINT and ADTX are the top stocks for today to watch. John, how you doing, man? Good afternoon, John. BRI. BRI. It's not on the Nasdaq. There is no BRI on the Nasdaq. John, please make sure you wrote the right ticket symbol. Couldn't find this one. Lunar is not a swing trade, brother. It's not a swing trade. Be careful. So ADTX and WINT for the day trade stocks. Swing trade, we have PTD, could be good at the market open, testing the resistance here with JBL. The other swing trade, we're watching SMCI, INTC, Palantir. So we have a little pullback here. Yeah, for the markets, a little bit of pullback. But all of them are still holding the support, guys. The market is still holding. Holy moly, Bitcoin broke the level. Interesting. Broke the level yesterday before the market closed. But this level still, the resistance is not clear for Bitcoin. We might have a fake out. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it around the 94 instead. Yeah, 94 700. WINT is still on the list here, still holding the gains with ADTX. Those the only two stocks or the two unicorn for today. Let us bring our disclaimer for today for the market open because we've got just 5 minutes left. Okay, so the market total New York Exchange open is 6 hour and 30. 6 hour. Anyway, so guys, 4 minutes left at the market open. Remember, we're not financial advisor. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Today we've got an interesting market to trade. The stock market is interesting for today. The reason is because we still consolidate. And yesterday we have a bit of green, especially for Tesla. Finally, we have 4% for reversal for Tesla. So we'll see if we're gonna have another jump for Tesla because Tesla tested a major bottom. Again, guys, hit the like and subscribe because we always go live every day. So hit the like button on the way in. Today we discuss ADTX. It was a great hunt for us. We suggest entry and exit for it today on our pre-market watch list video. This update, guys, we did really early in the pre-market. We discuss many stocks, and ADTX was one of them here. As you can see here, we said the 1080 is the breakout. We went until the 1235. If you want to have access early and, of course, entering before this breakout that happened here in the pre-market, you can join us on our Discord and put on the link in the live chat section. I just put it down there right now. John, I'm gonna do the recap right now. Just reminding everybody to hit the like button and the way in. Let us hit the 50 likes for today. Thank you in advance. Thank you for the support, everybody. So, John, the top two is ADTX and WINT. ADTX already hit our resistance and profit taken. The first one around the 1230. Current support at the market open is the 1080. If we broke, we need to hold over the 935 for today. The breakout 1230 profit taken for today if we jumped is the 1340, 15, and 1748. WINT is the second best stock. We have breakout around the 274 or resistant right now. Support is clear around the $2.20. Target $3.29 and $3.98 for WINT. BTTX and XHLD from yesterday is still a bit slow, but we might change that at the market open. So watch out for XHLD, guys. The one that we hunted together yesterday and still looking all right. As you can see here, we did the short update for it yesterday. It had a breakout before the market closed yesterday. So we hit the 176 and $2 yesterday. This update, we did it yesterday, guys, with ADTX and other stocks. Great hunt for our hunters because, yeah, we have a nice jump for XHLD. Those the top stocks to watch. Let me just put yeah, PLTR, AMD maybe. Okay, guys, let's get right to it. The market is about to open at any second, so hit the like, subscribe, show support. Norma, POET. POET. CVNA. I'm gonna put them here. Okay, the market is open, guys. Let's get right to it. POET, Norma, it is light on volume, so I don't like it that much. It's not that good. Let us keep watching ADTX because it's pulling back for the resistance. WINT is still holding. This one trying to break. AMD still holding. Palantir pulling back. Yeah, PDD pulling back now. Interesting. XHLD didn't break the trend. We might have a flush here. If we broke the 139, we might have a flush toward the $1. Okay, so far we don't have any breakout, guys. No breakout yet. RGC. Nothing much for RGC. Why you ask me about RGC, man? Still below the 35. Last time we tried to break this level, we have a fake out over the 35. Yeah, I think yesterday. So we need to break the 35 this time to go toward the 42. But it's not good for now. Yeah, WINT guys is moving. WINT is good now. It look juicy. XHLD is breaking the support. Yeah, officially. Yeah, WINT want to go toward the 330. Now it's 65% up. The SMCI looks strong again. Yes, sir. Yeah, but not that strong. Yeah, we still have a cautious or caution from the market, guys. NEO is still going down. SMCI is still below the trend, guys, like Palantir. We don't have a confirmation for a breakout. AMD is still holding the support. We might have a breakout for AMD for today. It look interesting, guys. AMD looking really interesting here. AMD is still neutral. We have a huge fight, guys, between the sellers and the buyers here for ADTX. WINT pulling back a bit. Okay, BDTX, take it from the list. XHLD. What else we got here? APTN is moving. Yeah, QBTS, guys, is moving as well. Look at that. We have a breakout here with AGMH. It was good dip to buy over the 71 as we discussed earlier on our Discord. We said the bottom is here. We reversed 15% from this bottom. QUBTS, yeah, this one I'm gonna keep it on the main list. WINT still holding. Wow, we have a good reversal for PDD, guys. Going toward the green now. It's going toward the green side. Norma, you are welcome. Some of you said SMCI is strong. Yes, it's strong, but not that much. We need to break this white line to be much stronger. Yeah, today is still holding, but yeah, still below the resistance. So now it's consolidating. There's no strong buyer yet for SMCI. The same for Palantir. Semiconductors looking interesting and strong, especially AMD. Okay, let's see if we got something halted in the market. Yesterday we have little stocks, not a lot, getting halted. Today we have more, I think. But not every stock get halted is good to be bought. Just remember that. Sometimes the volatility could be down. Okay, guys, WINT just hit our target, the $3.30. Yeah, make sure to take profit on WINT. 330 hit, the target got hit, guys. Yeah, the target got hit at the moment. $3.35. This is it. This is good. WINT guys hit our targets, so make sure to take profit there. Yeah, this is it. I think it's better to exit now. Yeah, WINT got hit with the major resistance. We might have a pullback now. The second one, we got ADTX is pulling back. XHLD, it pulled back as well. So XHLD, I think will be a pullback market for it from here. Okay, let's check now the stock that got halted. We got OM, got reverse split 1 to 15. Now it's halted up, but it's not good. DGNX, don't like the technical that much. This one is dead. That one is more dead. This one is halted down. So we pass. So the only one that look great is WINT and hit our target already. So around 3.30. So that's why we suggest to exit. Now it's time for a pullback. ADTX didn't break the 1230. Still consolidating. QUPTS has started to move up. So this one could be really good for today. Yeah, it broke out. Look at that, broke out here. Three stocks looking crazy good. Yeah, PDD is almost on the green side. Had a roller coaster ride, guys. This one went down and it went up at the same day. See what's happened, guys? WINT, after we suggest the exits from this stock, after we took profit here, price started to pull back. Yeah, it's kind of overextended right now. GCTK. No good. Okay, we got few stocks on the top gainer list here. ELAB as well on the main list. Okay, we got 4 stocks to check. This one is offering, that one still pretty light on volume. ELAB 30%. However, already got shorted around the 8. So I'm gonna keep it for later trade because it's not over yet. And AEVA got earnings Wednesday after hours or yesterday. That's why I jumped 25% here. Yeah, and lately have earnings report, but I don't like the trend. Gonna keep ELAB though. Look really good. TDTH, I will not consider putting it number one stock for today because it's a bit light on action. So I'm gonna keep it up. Gonna keep WINT because it's the top gainer for today with ADTX. Guys, ADTX has started to move. We have first try to squeeze here. ADTX, guys, it is the number one now with QUBTs. Okay, so we've got just those stocks. Yeah, this one could be good as well for today. Yeah, back to ADTX. Yeah, ADTX is preparing, guys. Preparing for avalanche. Good morning, Abhi. Good morning, man. How you doing? CVNA, it is testing a new support and bottom here. So yeah, there's a chance for reversal. Yeah, CVNA looking interesting here. I think I'm gonna put it on the swing trade play. And might, wait a second. Yeah, AMD trying to go on the green side. Yeah, it's a turning point for AMD, everybody. Oh my God, turning point. SMCI is still neutral, nothing much happening here. WINT trying to break the $3.30 again. ADTX tried to break the 12.30. QPTS got shorted here exactly around the 11. Is not ready. QPTS is not ready to squeeze. Nothing much still. It still didn't jump. Yeah, huge fight right now. P, good, good question. You know, it's like the routine changed, so the the energy level changing. So before breakfast, I feel my energy going up, but in the morning, I feel like my energy is low because usually in the morning I take a cup of coffee and something like this, you know. So yeah, in the morning is different because I sleep late at night. So this is, I think, the most hard thing is not water or drinks or food. The trick is with Ramadan is the routine of sleeping. So the reason is that my energy is a bit low in the morning because I sleep late, and usually I sleep at 10. Now I sleep at 2 o'clock in the morning. So I think this is the only thing that what is called like that messed up my energy level. Yeah, this is the only thing because I don't like to eat at night. Usually I don't eat at night normally. So this is the big changer for me. Eating late and sleeping late, which the opposite. I always sleep early and eat early. So I think this is the hardest thing for me in Ramadan. I could just fast for 3 days and then I break my breakfast in the morning would be even better. So Ramadan is not hard, but the hard thing is not sleeping well. Sleep is number one, man. Sleep is number one because I could not eat for days, for weeks even. For sleep, I can't. 2 days is my top. Even water. For water, you can be without water for 1 week, I think, or few days, 4 days. But sleep after 2 days, it is too much. Your brain will never function. I think 2 days without sleep is like the effect of drinking 3 cups of alcohol. You're gonna be like, yeah, you can't focus. WINT, double top, guys, right now, double top for WINT is about to break the 340 at the moment. ADTX the same. Guys, watch out. We got two stocks about to squeeze right now. The rest, The rest, I don't like that much. Yeah, the rest of the market is not my friend. Maybe ELAB later and TDDH, but yeah. WINT guys still testing the resistance. ADTX is still testing the resistance. Only two stocks, two unicorn. PDD guys, wow, is really doing all right. This one we discussed it today with JBL guys. Both of them hit our target. We did today a special earning hunt. We discussed those stocks here, guys. Before the earnings, we discuss many of them. Yeah, we discussed JBL. And yeah, here, JBL, as you can see, and PDD. This was early after the pre-market opened by 1 hour. Yeah, JBL and PDD. Great hunt. Uber, eTrice, I'm gonna check it for you. Yeah, Uber is still looking great, brother. The 69.59, it is the current support now. Current resistance and profit taken is there. So now jumping almost 1 or 2%. We might do another 4% before a pullback. If we pull back and if we don't break the 77, we're gonna go back toward the 63. So yeah, Uber looking great, not bad. WINT is still have a struggle to break the $3.39, and ADTX is still below the resistance, guys. Those two stocks are the top unicorn for today. Yeah, we only have two stocks. Two stocks looking great. Still, nothing much. WINT is pulling back. Of course, the $3.39 is the strongest resistance for now. You are welcome, eTrice. You are welcome. ELAB, still nothing. Let us do last check for the market. See if we have a change in the rank. Yeah, we have PRA, I think is still BKKT. Jumping, nice. PRA, BKKT. PRA, yes, not good. VKKT, guys, jumping, broke the resistance from the 979. Holy moly. We have a huge jump here, guys. It's hit the target right now around the 12. Why nobody told me about BKKT, guys? We got earnings back here yesterday. Yeah, got earnings after hours. Yeah, good revenue, guys. Look at that. The revenue is like not bad. Yeah, we got a nice action. Pretty nice action right now for BKKT, guys. 36% squeezing from the bottom here. So I'm gonna keep BKKT here on the list and go to check if we got um haltation. Let's see if we got any stock got halted right now. DGNX SAG. Wow, SAG got halted up. DGNX. Nope. So I'm gonna keep SAG here because it's got halted up. Yeah, those the stocks that look interesting. SAG unhalted right now. Resumption. Yeah, we got the resumption. It's pulling back a bit. Yeah, ADTX is still BKKT, guys, is moving really great. There's a level to break around the 1291. We need to break this level, guys, to move up. This is the most important level to break. But it's been a while last time we discussed this stock, guys. It's been a while last time we discussed this stock. I think last year. How everybody doing? Yeah, the market it was really good in the pre-market. So we got a nice jump in the pre-market. Market open, we have a little pullback, and now we have another jump. So it's not bad. We had the better market, which is pumping in pre-market and then pumping after the market open and haltation. Yeah, VKKT, new level. ADTX want to break this level. Yeah, ADTX breaking finally, guys. Finally, we have a breakout here. Finally. Next target 1340. CVNA, the best one for today, the best mover. ADTX did a really great job, guys. That's why we discuss it. I think 2 days ago, yes, we discussed it with TNXP and ATER and XHLD. Yeah, ADTX was great. Now, yeah, hit our target, the green line, the second profit taken, and now it's going toward the 1340. WINT, yes, time for a pullback. That's why we suggest to exit around the $3.30. You see, guys, we got a bit of jump until the $3.47. But again, we didn't continue. We didn't continue to hold over the $3.30 to be precise. Okay, SAG is testing new levels. Wow, XHLD guys flying down now. Yeah, we broke the 150. After breaking the 150 supports, started to pull back a lot. But still looking interesting for a reversal later. RGC jumping up. Yeah, RGC right now looking interesting. And I think it might be halted now. Wow, RDVN finally is moving as well. Okay. We got a bit of pullback for the markets, but overall, ADTX is still looking all right, but it's losing a bit momentum. BKKT the same. SAG got halted and now is still jumping, but have a huge seller around the 150. WINT the same, hit resistant around the $2.30, that's why pulling back. RGC the same. RGC, it is a bit risky because it's light on volume, but jumped a new level. So those the top unicorn for today. AMD is still trying to break here. Yeah, we got a few stocks to watch later on. We're gonna do update for all those stocks like what we did the day before for ADTX to buy around the 1050, which right now is around the 12. And XHLD yesterday, it was a really good entry around 155 because it hit the $2 for today after that pullback. So we're gonna do updates on our Discord, guys, for the unicorn prices and levels for the support and profit taken and swing trade as well. In the meantime, see you by tomorrow, guys, on our Hunter channel. Friday, as usual, 30 minutes before the market opens. So if you come late for today, make sure to come early because the market is much active in the pre-market. And of course, so we always go live early before that. If you want to have early access, like for today, ADTX, the best entry was around, around the 10, I think. Yeah, ADTX was today here. The best entry was around the $10.80, yes, around here. So if you want to have early access for pre-market watch list, like what we did today and live streaming, you can join us in the link comment section below. In the meantime, thank you for watching, guys. RGC is not, it's light on volumes. It's really risky to play normal. Be careful. So this is it for now, guys. See you back on our Hunter channel to continue the hunt on our live streaming. And as we said, updates on our Discord and Patreon later on to discuss the market further. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay blessed. Never run after the price. Let the price come to you. Okay, thank you.